Hello kids! Welcome to Sarasa Suksawad School. Our subject for today is conversation. Our lesson for today is about telling time. Again, telling time.
Time to get up! Wake up!
Tickle, tickle, ting-a-ling, tickle, tickle, ting-a-ling. What's the time? What's the time?
The short hand is at 8, the long hand is at 12. It's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
Time for lunch! I'm hungry!
Growling, rumbling, growling, rumbling. What's the time? What's the time?
The short hand is at 12, the long hand is at 12. It's 12 o'clock.
It's 12 o'clock.
Time to play! Let's go outside!
Hee-hee-ha-ha-ho-ho, hee-hee-ha-ha-ho-ho. What's the time? What's the time?
The short hand is at 4, the long hand is at 12. It's 4 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock.
Time for bed. Good night, Mommy. Good night, Daddy. What's the time? What's the time?
The short hand is at 8, the long hand is at 12. It's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
Let's have a 1-minute speaking. What time is it? What time is it?
Vocabulary. คำศัพท์ คำศัพท์
Time. Time. Clock. Clock. Clockwise. Clockwise. Direction. Direction. Now, let's continue our lesson. Telling time.
Telling the time o'clock.
This is called an analog clock, and as you can see, there are the numbers 1 through to 12 on the clock face. An analog clock has 2 hands. We call the long hand the minute hand, and we call the short hand the hour hand. When the minute hand is pointing to the number 12 on the clock face, we say it is something o'clock. The number that the hour hand is pointing to will tell us what hour we are in. Right now, the hour hand is pointing at the number 12. So the time on the clock is 12 o'clock. This is called a digital clock. The digits on the left will tell us the hour that we're in. The digits on the right tell us how many minutes have passed the hour. The time on both the analog clock and the digital clock both say 12 o'clock. Since there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, let's have a look at what happens when the minute hand moves clockwise around the clock. The minute hand is pointing to the 12, so it is something o'clock. the hour hand is pointing at the number 1. So the time is 1 o'clock. Let's watch the clock fast forward another 60 minutes. What time is it?
It is 2 o'clock.
Try to remember the basics. When the minute hand is pointing at the number 12, it is something o'clock. So then look at the hour hand to tell you what that something o'clock is.
The time is 7 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock. The time is 3 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. The time is 8 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. The time is 10 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. The time is 9 o'clock.
What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 1:30. It's 2:30. It's 3:30. It's 4:30. It's 5:30. It's 6:30. It's 7:30. Now, let's review our topic. The time is 1:30. The time is 2:30. The time is 3:30. The time is 4:30. The time is 5:30. The time is 6:30. This time, let's have An activity. Activity. Match the time to the pictures. Number 1. 1:30. Which clock shows 1:30? Excellent. Number 2. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Which clock shows the time 6 o'clock? Very good. Number 3. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Which clock shows 1 o'clock? Great job! Number 4. 2:30. 2:30. Which clock shows 2:30? Very good. Number 5. 3:30. 3:30. Which clock shows 3:30? Excellent. Number 6. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Which clock shows 5 o'clock? Correct.
Ticky 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 tick a tock. Ticky 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 tick a tock. Ticky 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 tick a tock. What time is it? Tock.
1:30,
2:30,
3:30, tick tock, 4:30, 5:30,
6:30,
tick tock,
7:30,
8:30,
9:30,
tick tock,
10:30,
11:30, 12:30, tick tock,
Ticky 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 tick a tock. Ticky 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 tick a tock. Ticky 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 tick a tock. What time is it?
faster. 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, tick tock, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, tick tock, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, tick tock, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, tick tock. Okay, kids, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned a lot from our lesson. Have a nice day, and goodbye.